If you want to connect your OPPO Reno 15 with PC with the help of OPPO Connect, then first of all we're gonna open the settings on your phone. Next, in these settings we should be able to go to Device Connect. Now in here we're gonna tap on PC, and if you go here for the first time, you will need to grant all the necessary permissions. Now ideally you want to use an OPPO account to quickly automatically connect with your PC, so that you can also sign into the same account on your computer, but it is not really necessary because we can also just do so without it. This is just convenient to do. Now, in order to connect with OPPO Connect, first we need to get the OPPO Connect on your computer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to connect.oppo.com on your computer, and then over here we have all the download links. Of course, you can download for Windows or for Mac OS. If you do use an account, then you should be able to sign in automatically. But first, of course, we can click on sign in here to sign into your OPPO account, the same one that you use on your phone. But like I said, we can also connect manually. So if you click over here, we have this QR code, and then on your phone you can use this QR code scanner to get the QR code and connect without the account. Once we are connected, it looks like this on your computer, and of course you can access all your files in here. We also have the screencast option and remote control as well. Whereas on the phone it looks like this, and in case you want to use the account and it doesn't connect automatically, you can just simply tap on add new device and you should be able to find your computer over here in this place. Remember that we also have the content synchronization available over here in case you want to adjust that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.